Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will create a local SOX 5 endpoint now, don't stall. First, install an SSH client or a SOX-capable app and confirm your server credentials, host, port, user, and key. Next, open an SSH dynamic tunnel, run SSHD 1080 user at host or use the app's Create SOX option. Once done, note the local address and port, typically 127, 0, 0, 1, 1080. Make sure the tunnel stays active before moving to routing, otherwise apps won't use it. Now route traffic through the SOX endpoint. If you have root or proxy droid, add 127, 0, 0, 1, 1080 as your SOX 5 proxy and select target apps. If you prefer system-wide routing without root, use a VPN-based proxy app that forwards to the local SOX socket. Enable packet capture or VPN mode. Also, change DNS inside the proxy app to prevent lookup leaks. Once done, test with a browser configured to use the proxy and confirm external IP changed. Finish by verifying everything works. Open a browser or IP check app to confirm traffic goes through the SOX proxy. To keep it persistent, enable auto start or create a background script so the SSHD tunnel restarts on reboot. If something goes wrong, restart the tunnel first, then check server credentials and firewall rules on the host. Make sure DNS is set inside the proxy to avoid leaks. One key tip: if apps ignore the proxy, enable per app proxy or use a VPN-based routing solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.